today's video. Today's video is going to be a speed cleaning with me. I'm going to be cleaning my living room, my kitchen maybe, and some things around here. Just mainly the living room and then the kitchen over there. The bathroom I already did yesterday when the girls were taking a bath, so I don't think that I will retouch it anywho. But yeah, today is going to be a speed cleaning. I haven't done that one in a little bit, so stay tuned to watch it. I have a critter right there, Layla. And Luna is currently on preschool, so I'm gonna clean while I'm aiming for 1:30 to be finished of cleaning. It's 12:30, 12:38. So I'm thinking of actually speeding myself, not just the video, to clean. And remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you did, thank you very much. Click the bell to notify you when I have a new video. The like button if you like this kind of videos, not so recent, not so close to each other, but some here and there. And let's get started. Voila! There is the living room. It's clean, unlike the pillows that Layla moved. Everything's vacuum. Everything's vacuum here, vacuum there. If you saw me, I vacuum my hobby room. I vacuum the bathroom, the girls' room, and my room as well. Over there in my room as well. Everything here is vacuum. Everything here, it's clean. I need to pick the stuff from here. Then we're gonna go to my kitchen. I wanted to show you the vacuum that I use because I love it, because look at that. It's connected over here. All the way I went to both over there, and it's still connected because it has a big cord. Look at that. It's still over here. Can you see it? Right here. And I bought it at Home Depot or maybe it was Lowe's. I can't remember. And it's the Shark. Is the Shark vacuum. This one I like it because it has the container here where you can see all the filth you have picked up. Really clear there in case you have gotten a toy, a ring, an earring. You can see it there before you throw it to the garbage. Then it's movable. You can swivel. Look at this. I can just like step on it and it would go like this, but I'm still going straight and it's not on the way. Like, look, let me show you right here. It's not on the way. Look, I can swivel this way and I can go right in there. Unlike other ones, it would be like, oh, I can't go through there. So I can move it this way and I will still clean that way, and I like it. I can detach it from here and it gives me another length. I can detach it from here, it gives me another length, and I can attach another little thing that I was cleaning the under the couches with, and I really like it. It has also that you can bare floor clean and brush roll clean, so you can go directly to the kitchen. Instead of using a broom, you can use this. I have done it, but I also still use a broom because sometimes the sticky floor, it doesn't pick up that things. But anywho, I feel better if I clean it with the broom instead of this one. This one is great for the carpet and cleaning the couches. And I'm going to pick up these toys that I picked up from under there and over there, and we're gonna go ahead and switch to the kitchen. Alright, clean there. I leave those there because Luna likes to play with them really often. I clean right there, and then I took the stuff from there. Now, all that is on the floor because I'm going to bring my broom and clean that up with my broom. And over here, I left these because Luna plays with these. There's usually something there. That she plays with. There's usually something there, so it gets hidden and it's all covered up. I leave it there because either Luna or Layla play with it, just like how she's playing with that. And yeah, basically my living room is clean for the most part. Now we're gonna go to my kitchen. Now my kitchen is a whole different thing because my dining room is right next to it, and over here we're not gonna touch nothing. Right where my treadmill is, over there is my pool things, and that's not gonna be touched. Only these will get arranged and all that stuff. So, and look, it's already 1:24 and I'm falling behind schedule. Jesus Christ. So let's get started. Living room and my kitchen mainly. Now I will do the sweeping, but my battery is on 7%, so I thought I should, while saying goodbye, not sweep. I already sweep. I meant mop. I will mop with my magic, I don't know what they call magic mop, and I use Fabuloso, Mexican brand, Fabuloso Ultimate Fragrance Experience Lavender Fresca Lavanda. Úsalo. I put a little bit of this in my shenanigans right here. Right about there. You already have seen it's not that difficult to mop your kitchen or anything that has floors that need to be thing. I put the long thing of that and fill it up. with water and start mopping the heck of my floors. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you're in, thank you very much. Hopefully you like these kinds of videos. Comment down below. What is your least favorite thing to do while cleaning? And what's your favorite thing to do while cleaning? I think my favorite thing to do while cleaning is washing dishes. I love washing dishes whenever there's not filthy with food. Sometimes they're ickity ackity, and I do not like ickity ackity dishes. And I like to wash the stove as well. There's a video of it, how I do it. That's why I didn't do it completely here. And my least favorite thing to do while cleaning would be the bathroom. I do not like cleaning the bathrooms, but I had to do it. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I'm going to finish mopping right here, and then I gotta cook because now look, it's 2:05 and I went over my my schedule, my timing that I have. So that's a lot. So I'm gonna finish mopping, gonna cook, and gonna go pick up Luna from preschool. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.